Hours 0 to 10. Before bed, sleeping, getting up, and getting ready for the day. Before bed. Great news. Before the alarm rings in the morning, we already have 9 to 10 hours of workout time in, depending on how well and how long you slept. So let's make sure we're making the most of our time asleep. The first thing is, before we even go to bed, begin to slow down the rush of thoughts from our day. Some people use a song or a landmark on the drive home as a cue to remind themselves to at least attempt to decompress and get ready to be present at home. Before we get home, once we get home, or before we go to bed, we should relax and refocus with deep breathing, meditation, and my favorite, prayer. This also works great in the morning or any time throughout the day. Deep breathing, meditation, and prayer is like a superpower that can penetrate the greatest amount of stress and provide us with the strength we need to get through anything, even when we don't know how we're going to get through it. We should also do light stretching to unwind areas of stress that have snuck their way into our body throughout the day before they negatively affect our health while we're sleeping. This is a pivotal winning moment because of the impact it has on how we will sleep that night. The sooner we remove stress from our body, the better the body can perform what it's naturally designed to do, which is heal, repair, and provide us with what we need to have the best life possible: health.
The podcast you just heard was made using Anchor. Ever thought about making your own podcast? Anchor makes it really easy for anyone to get started. It's a one-stop shop for recording, hosting, and distributing podcasts. Best of all, it's 100% free. Sign up now at anchor.fm/new. That's anchor.fm/new to get started.